Tengyu Chemical LONGKOU Company Limited is a professional supplier of sealants and adhesives in China with 10 years of export experience. Integrate the research and development, quality control, and sales of acrylic sealant, silicone sealant, polyurethane sealant, MS sealant, epoxy, anchoring adhesive, waterproof coating, anaerobic adhesive, wood glue, etc. Tengyu Products engineers can provide sealant solutions for the project, including door and windows, curtain walls, IG glass, indoor decoration, bath and kitchen, rail transportation, roads and bridges, etc. Our company has passed quality systems, occupational health, and safety system standard requirements, and also passed the National Construction Structure of Silicone Sealant Production Enterprise and Building Sealant Production Enterprise. High-quality products and professional ability make us stand out in the sealant industry, committed to becoming a sealant solution expert to provide satisfactory service for each customer. To meet diverse needs in the world market, OEM, private label, and ODM services are available. We are committed to providing one-stop sourcing solutions for various adhesive and sealant products. Products are sold in North America, European countries, Southeast Asia, the Middle East, and more than 30 countries. The products are well received and trusted by the majority of users. We always insist on our mission of making every customer satisfied with our quality and services. Our experienced staff always welcome to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. Hope to establish successful business relationship with clients around the world.